In this video, let's go through how to manage your YouTube Music library. Welcome back to a new guide video on how Genic. YouTube Music Library is a section where you can view all of the songs, albums, or playlists that you may have created inside of your YouTube Music account. Now, the way that you manage simply means either you want to add or remove one of these options from your library inside of YouTube Music. As you can see on the top, it says playlists, songs, albums, artists, profiles, and podcasts, which means these are all of the sections that can be added or can be removed from these sections as well. For example, if you have a section called like and you want to manage the like section and you want to remove a particular song from the liked section, you can just click on the three dotted line and then click on the remove from playlist option. Also, you can do the same thing for a particular playlist. If you are trying to remove any songs from your playlist, you can click on the three dotted line and then click on the remove from playlist option. As soon as you do that, all of the songs will be removed from the playlist or from the liked option as well. Now, apart from the songs inside of playlist or the music that you like, you also will find the artists that you subscribe. If you want to remove any artist from this section, you can go inside of their profiles and then just unsubscribe. Likewise, if you want to add in a artist inside of your library, you can just click on the subscribe section and the artist profile will be visible inside of the library. So by removing and adding different sections inside of your library, you'll be able to manage it and organize it in an efficient way. If this guide video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. That's pretty much it for today's video. I'll see you in the next one.